BMW doesn't stand for Bayerisch Motoring Werke, it stands for Break My Wallet. Buying one isn't buying a car, it's adopting a mechanical problem in a tuxedo. BMW owners have two hobbies, speeding on the highway and asking online for a trustworthy European mechanic. You get two kinds of adrenaline rush, one when you hit the gas and another when you see the repair bill. The tech's so advanced, your mechanic needs a PhD to change the battery. Every light on the dashboard isn't a warning, it's a countdown to bankruptcy. Sure, it looks powerful, makes you look rich right until people see you parked at the workshop again. And BMW drivers love saying you'll never understand until you drive one. True, only they understand what it's like when your check engine light glows more often than your bedroom lamp.